Hello, today I want to show you how to build a WordPress website locally on your PC using Studio for Windows. This is a new way of building website on your local host. In the past, we used XAMPP and files downloaded from WordPress.org for this purpose. But today, there is a change in the way we build local websites. So let's see what we can do with this. I have downloaded the Studio for Windows. So let me install it now. I click on Run as Administrator. I say yes. So here we are. It says add your first website. So here we're going to put the website name. Then there is a local path already for the studio to live in. So I'm going to add just a simple name. And I say add website. This is actually if you want to change the address of the local path. So when you click here, you have the opportunity to choose a folder where your site will live in. So I want to choose a new location for my website. So I want to create a new folder and I'm going to call it local studio local. And that is it. So I'm saying add site. So here it says I want to click on allow. So we're here. Here is the 2024 theme. And here is the overview. Here we have the share, and here is the settings. So there's a password here. So the site is already running. So what we can do is this, to open the website first and take a look at it. So I click on open website. And that is the website running on my browser. Now, first thing first, I'm connected to the internet at the moment, but I want to disconnect internet connection and do this again and see if it has any link with the internet. So if you look here, it says no internet access. So I just disconnected from the internet. So again, let me open, and there I have the site running. So let's go to the settings and see what we can do. And let me see if I can go to the dashboard. And here is the dashboard. So let me preview this 2023. This is 2023. So I'm going to go back. So it's time for me to install a theme. So I go to add theme, upload theme, choose a file. So here is my theme. Open, install. Theme installed successfully. Let me activate. So here I'm being asked to update all these plugins. This works exactly the same way as the old WordPress using XAMPP or WAMP. Let me try and install the child theme for this particular theme. Upload, choose file, this is the child theme, install. Let's see live preview. So this is just on the browser. Let me go to the app and see what's happening there. This is the app, and I have one website which is running, and I have one site running. I can add another site, as you can see here. So here I can add widgets, here menu, and here is the customizer. I can open in File Explorer and in Terminal. So let's see what we can do here. Let's try this File Explorer. So this is the Studio Local folder that I created while installing. Then this is Terminal. Then this is WordPress admin. So this is the dashboard. And let's take a look at the widget. These are the widgets. And finally, let's check the menu. So this is the menu. There's nothing there for now. Customizer. So here you have to customize the website. So it's such a simple setup. If at the end of the day you don't need the site again, you can just delete the site and everything will be gone. Or you can just add another site here. And here we're going to leave this my WordPress website as the name. Then for the local part, I just want to leave it like this and say add website or add site. And that's it. This is the second website also running. And let's open and see. So this is the website. So what it means, you can have as many websites as you want. This is pretty important because this eliminates the process of using WAMP and XAMPP for creating websites on localhost. Let's take a look at this for the second site. This is the content. So I'm going to delete the website and see if the content of this folder is going to be deleted as well. So here is delete. Say delete. I'll say delete site. And the site is gone. Then what about the folder? This is the content of the folder. The content is still there. Now remember, I have two websites, one deleted and one working. Let me show you the content of the other one that is working at the moment. Here is the content of the one that is working. Here is the content of the one that is deleted. So what it means is that deleting a site from this place doesn't get to delete the files in the folder on that local part. And here it says stop all websites, one running. So let's see what happens when we stop a site that is running. So this site is running at the moment. I'm going to stop it now. And it is stopped. So what happens when I reload the page? Oh, sorry, this is the one that was deleted. So when I reload, it's going to go away. I'm sure about that. Yes, that is it. And this is one that is still running, though I have stopped now because you can see start and the green live button is no longer active. So I'm going to try to reload this page and see what's going to happen. And it is gone too. But if I come here, click either here or here, you can see the sites are running. So I can come in here now and reload, and the site is up once again. So this is an interesting way of testing out your website, your theme, plugins, whatever on a local host before you now take it to the cloud. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.